Healing isn't always loud. There's power in the quiet moments, in the space where we allow ourselves to slow down, reflect, and truly reconnect with who you are or who we are. And I've been thinking a lot about agape love, the highest form of unconditional love. It's the kind of love that isn't transactional, that doesn't demand performance. It just is. And I think stillness gives us a chance to access that kind of love for ourselves, for others, and even for the world around us. When we're constantly moving, striving, or surviving, we can't forget that we're already worthy of rest, already worth of care. Right now, I'm learning to sit in that space more often, to let healing come through silence, slowness, and self-compassion. Because sometimes the most radical thing we can do is to love ourselves without condition.